the Entrepreneurs Guild of KL Alumni, where we get to meet, alumni from all the batches across all years, from 89 batch to 2018 batch. And we have another bright and successful entrepreneur sitting here from 2009 to 2013 batch. So please introduce yourself.
So hi, I am Madala Bharat Kumar. I'm from KL University first batch 2009 to 13. I was glad to introduce my company, Enprodex Technologies Private Limited. My first, we have started up in 2011 when I'm in second year of my college.
Okay, you decided to turn an entrepreneur in second year itself. I'm sure there must be something in the university, the environment or the support you got which triggered to make you make that kind of decision.
Yeah, so I think probably I have my childhood dream when I'm 14 or 15. So I want to be in business. So I don't know how at that point of time, but when I've entered this college, the environment has created some kind of glimpses or something in my mind, so that I wanted to be. So I was very firm at that point of time. So I got some little resources from the college also. So the extracurricular activities and the student ordinates that we have in the college helped a lot. So we have a lot of resources there, and all this turned up and gave some kind of push to me to be entrepreneur. So yeah.
How will you describe your journey as, there are a lot of hardships and everything. So what are the lessons learned and what are the formulas for success you've seen over the years?
Hardships a lot you will have. Ups and downs are very common, but there will be only down when you start. So that is the starting point, the zero. So from there, how you climb the steps of hardship is very important. And whatever the decision that you take, are you firm on it or not? That is what I have took. So when I have started the business and all and came out of the college, and I wanted to continue my success saga or whatever the journey that I wanted and aimed. So when someone is it may be the parental pressure or something who wanted us to be in good thing and wanted us to just travel to USA or somewhere where we have lot of resources from my uncles or somewhere. But I have chosen this path only because to be an individual. So to start individual, to get the things individual, to know yourself is very good. So one can experience that only if you start on your own. So there are a lot of hardships. So I have all the startup things. I faced all the startup forces and all against me that went on. So 2014 was too hard for me, and 2015 I've started my venture Enprodex Technologies. Since then I have been with a small company called Tacky Root. I've started up, but to take it forward I wanted a good name, so I've chosen it as Enprodex, meaning n number of products, and I've started it. So now I have been a serial entrepreneur investing in some other startups too.
Nice. So you were looking for individuality. You started your own company and you have been empowering a lot of people on this way, right? That's the biggest satisfaction of an entrepreneur. You create jobs, you are not seeking jobs out there. So any formulas for success now that you're in multiple startups as well? Any formulas for success you've discovered all this while?
Yeah, I think we can't actually say the formula of the success because we also don't know what is success is still. So as we actually continue to do work, there will be ups and downs, that's it. So how continuously you are doing is very important, and how distributedly you can actually, how smartly you can distribute your time is very important when you are being in multiple businesses like me. So that is where I have stretched my time to actually go and figure out my timings and all for each and every business. So I have figured out good partners for other businesses. For my software, I was being only the person who is actually taking care of, but for my other business where I'm investing, definitely I'll have a partner who is so strong than me. So that's how my choose thing is.
So you choose people according to their strengths and
yeah. So my co-founders are so strong than me. So in their particular business domain. So I think that is helping me a lot. And my additional things on this with the marketing techniques or something that I say, I think they are all added advantage for the companies.
Amazing. So if I take you back to the days when you were a student at Yale University, you said you started in second year itself. How were you as a student? Were you always academically inclined and passionate and driven and self-driven and all,
So, yeah, I wanted to take an example. When I was in college, there was a forum that has been started by all women in the college. So that is Women's Forum, KLU Women's Forum. So that has been a lot of impact on me, where one of my friend have asked me for a help. So can we have a website or something for this Women's Forum? So we wanted to keep it on the main website of the college. For everyone, like there will be some kind of interest that if your work is like being published on the main site of the university, that will be visible to the complete world. So there I have gone and I have just done some work and I've given it. So they were interested in, so they have published. Later on, like when they are launching the website, so I was the only guy among 1,500 girls. So I was the only person, and when they are like appraising me on the stage, that was like, wow, it's a heaven. So
your superhero moment.
I thought of, it is a super moment for me. So only like other men are like the college dignitaries, like the chairman and all. It was like a super fan moment for me. So I was like very enjoying at that moment. So that has been the first part that I've been contributing at the college. So later on I've been involved in like college festivals and all. So I've been the chief coordinator for 2011-12. Like we have a technical symposium called Samyak 2000, like 2011 and 12, 13, something like that. So we have created some kind of new things. So I've taken care of workshops at that point of time. So there should be like competition between the colleges also. So when I've been into KL University, I don't know whether I'll do it or not, but I have achieved that. At that point of time, like we have in the symposium, like we started with 9 workshops. So 9 workshops at that time is a big thing. So we have only 7 workshops that has created a history in NIT Warangal at that particular time.
Nice.
So immediately we take over it and we have gone with 9 workshops. So in 2012 again we have gone with 13 workshops. So something like, it is not like keeping the workshops. The end point is like to educate. A lot of people come to KL University from the nearby college and also they got a lot of impact because of these workshops and all. So a lot of knowledge they got. So I've created like something good. That is what I had ultimately. And at that time, like we also taken care of the technical things of the complete symposium, and we got a lot of appreciations from Delhi University and all. So that's how like.
So you can say that KL University not just helped you grow academically, but also shaped your personality, your interest, and overall development as a student there.
Yes. That is the first stepping part for me. Definitely, I need to accept it. So I can definitely recommend KL University for anyone who is actually wanted to grow on your entrepreneurial journey. So this is like they have a good resource now. They have lot of good space, like 10,000 square feet was allotted to entrepreneurs exclusively. So at our time, like when we ask to the lecturers, they feel like, oh, this person is really doing good. But now it is not like that. They have been adapting the world class amenities and all with them, and they are supporting entrepreneurs a lot. So like I was like personally thankful to the vice president of the college, Sri Rajaharin Garu. So for encouraging me a lot, and he was like involving me in each and every moment that CIE is taking internally in the college. So
Right.
I've been mentoring some companies inside, so the student entrepreneurs and all. So I was very happy to actually ment them. So
Yeah, so you have wonderful things about the university to say, but now roles have reversed. You are the alumni and you represent the university on different level. So as an alumnus, how do you think you can contribute to the university's growth and the students' development there?
So I have been to college almost every 3 months.
Wow.
So I've been a very regular person in the college till date. So I was like not feeling like alumni. So I'm still a student there. So even if I'm not a student, definitely I was part of KLU. Like that was like in my heart. So since I have like started my company, the first employees I have took from KL University. So 5 members. So later on, like every year, I used to give employment for 5 to 6 people. So now we have almost like 40 to 50 people working in various businesses I was involved in.
Nice.
So this was good, and the best thing is like again, two of my employees have turned entrepreneurs already.
Amazing.
So like we have been encouraging them also, like based on their interest and all. So that is like a basic growth step that I got from KL University.
Amazing. So one message for all the students who are studying there, as an alumnus, as an entrepreneur, as a someone who's still very connected to the university, what are your advice to them to, you know, make the best of the opportunities and resources and everything available there?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So there are a lot of resources available at KL University. So the time when we studied and the time now is completely different. So the college has evolved a lot. So if a guy like me in the starting batch of university have done this and got support from the college, see now it is like a different scenario. You got all the resources from the college, you got like wonderful staff, wonderful faculty, wonderful labs to go on with, you have dedicated R&D things. So like everywhere, like you can involve in each and every part that you are interested in your life. So KL University gives you that impact in your life.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with us and for always staying connected with the university. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
KL, deemed to be university.
We are future ready.